Yo, we got a good amount of snow. I'm about to take the snow off the greenhouse. Snowy. Yo, this shit's straight up falling apart, but this should be the last snowstorm, so I can care less. So I'm using a broom. See if I can do it while holding the camera, which I can't. Alright, so basically I repeat this process for the entire thing. See how it's like falling apart? I made it out of wood pallets. And part of the reason why it's falling apart, I think it can't handle the snow. But what am I gonna do? Like I said, hopefully this is the last snowstorm. Check it out. Inside I have kale. I would say probably 3 variety of kales. And I have spinach. I had broccoli inside, but it died out. It didn't die out, just it was turning shitty, so I just left it outside. Check it out. Yeah, it's pretty windy too. I think they said like 40 miles per hour wind.